Let me show you how to enable free VPN on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and also A11 Plus. So if you purchase this tablet, also you are receiving like a free plan that you can use if you want to connect basically to secure Wi-Fi. So basically if you are using it public. So essentially what you do is in your settings, you simply go to your security and privacy over here, and then more security settings here and secure Wi-Fi. So the first time you actually launch it, it will ask you to set up and agree that you basically want to enable it. So you see, for free you get 1 GB of transfer. So again, this is going through the Samsung own server. So again, this is Samsung own stuff. So once you're ready, so yeah, we can press this essentially, and then it's going to connect basically and route everything basically through the Samsung's own VPN essentially over here. So if you want to stop it, yep. Also, you see, you can also change like various settings here as well for it. Good luck.